What is up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2006 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. This thing is in really nice shape. We just got it in. It is the 88 cubic inch motor, which is 1450 for all you guys trying to do the conversion. 5-speed belt drive transmission, and this one in particular is super duper clean. This guy took really good care of it. We actually picked this up from the guy himself. So let's walk around this thing. This baby lived in the garage its whole life when it wasn't on the road. And it shows that there is not really any dirt on it or any rust or hardly any wear, honestly. The thing shines like a diamond. Well, here you can see the back tire is in good shape. A lot of life left on that. On the rear fender, that is looking really good. Coming up over here on above the taillight, got this chrome piece above the taillight. Turn signal, luggage rack, back of the sissy bar there. All that stuff is just shining. Has the solid wheels, which is factory for those years. This guy got these coated though with, I don't know what's called, but it does not let like residue sit on it. You can just wipes off with a rag like dirt. It's super awesome. Makes it stay super clean. There is one small mark right there on the turn signal. It does have the bags on it. The bags are in equally as good a shape. You can see them there. The Harley badge on the side. See the exhaust there is super duper shiny. No rust, no dents, no dings, no scrapes, no nothing. You see that whole kind of like engine bay there is just chromed out. Got your passenger floorboard in really good shape. Here on the side panel is super chrome, looking really good. Same thing on the motor. Got the air cleaner cover there, the Harley skull. Same thing down there. All this stuff looking really good. Got your rider floorboard, rear brake. Got the crash bars here on the side of the tank. Looking super good. There's just really nothing there to talk about. Nothing bad. It's all good. There's the logo. Don't miss out on the test drive of this bike. Sean will have it up on YouTube, and you're gonna want to see this thing out on the road because it runs just as good as it looks. Got the aftermarket mirrors there with like the skull hand or the skeleton hand. There's your handlebars. Here we are up front. See the headlights, auxiliary lights, turn signals, all that. Fork tube looking to be in really nice shape. Like I said, this thing just shines. No rust, no pitting, no nothing. Again, the solid wheels with that coating on them, so they stay super clean. Here on the front tire has a lot of life left. It is begging to be ridden. There's the front fender. Front fender's looking good. No scrapes, no scratches, no dings. I mean, guys, I don't get that many bikes in that are this clean, and this is it's really impressive how clean this bike is. We get some nice stuff in, but even some of the nice stuff we get, our new stuff, isn't as clean as this. So yeah, spin this around. Again, there's that skeleton hand on this side, matching as the same as we saw on the other one. So this side of the tank is the same as the other side, also super clean. There is one mark right there at my pointer finger. It looks like just like a little like a little mark in the clear coat. You can't hardly see it on the video, but that is there. There is your rider floorboard. There's your shifter. Got the skull horn cover. There is actually LEDs in the eyes there that light up. There is like a blue underglow on this bike, and it matches the eyes there and the blue skull. Got the skull cover there. This is the switch for the underglow and the brightness. Side panel looking really good. Got your passenger floorboard. Same. This bag is just as good a shape as the other side, which is amazing. Got the sissy bar. Got the passenger seat. Got the rider seat, which is super comfortable. Got the Harley skull there on the tank pad. And got the two skulls up here. One is the fuel cap, One is decoration. There's actually a fuel indicator here. There's LED lights. There you can see there. Shows how much fuel is in it. There's the handlebars, mirrors. Grips, levers, controls, all that coming across the handlebar to this side. Same thing. So let's get this all like Harley skulled out. There's your gauges. We'll turn it on. You see it has. It's hard to believe this bike has almost 12,000 miles on it. 11,927. It is a 2006, but it doesn't. It looks so clean. You're just not used to that. Neutral. We're gonna fire it up. Right to light. Talk. There you can see the blue underglow there a little bit. Yeah, like I said, this bike is just super clean. It's a 2006 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Just gonna give you the full walk around. Don't miss out on the test drive that Sean does of this bike. This bike is not gonna last long. I have a feeling as soon as it goes to the website, there's gonna be a lot of interest in it, and it should be up on the website really soon. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out this bike on our website. Catch you later.